around this beautiful town. Come with me! If you are planning to fly to Eilat, Eilat has its own new international airport that is based in a stunning Timna Valley. The Yitzhak Rabin border crossing is located between Eilat and the Jordanian city of Aqaba. The terminal is named after former Prime Minister of Israel, Yitzhak Rabin, who signed peace treaty with Jordan in 1994. The Menachem Begin border terminal is located 10 kilometers south of Eilat. This terminal is also named after former Prime Minister of Israel Menachem Begin, who signed a peace treaty with Egypt in 1978. The terminal serves as a border crossing between Israel and Egypt for Israeli citizens and foreign tourists. Eilat offers a rich variety of water activities in affordable prices. The stunning Red Sea's transparency is its distinguishing feature, with 1,200-meter-long reef near the coast. This clean, quiet sea shows its spectacular coral and colorful fish. For dinner, my team and I came to Rak Dagim Restaurant. We ordered Greek salad, mixed fish platter, steak entrecote, schnitzel and chips, and pasta with tomato sauce. It is perhaps the best fish I have ever tasted. When you are in Eilat, and if you are fish and seafood lover, don't miss this restaurant with great atmosphere and service. Eilat offers active nightlife. The bars, pubs and nightclubs pulse with life and will keep you awake till dawn.
Didn't know the love was war. Then I saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know. Somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you.
Thanks for watching. Coming up in my next vlog.